Welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. Today we're talking about IGES import names of support entities. With the release of 18.4, the names of support entities within IGES files are now imported into Pointwise. To demonstrate this, I'm going to go ahead and import this labeltest.igis file. The default settings are fine, so I'll click OK. I'm fine with this too. Yes. You notice if I open this database, I have all the names of these entities. And if I click View Show Hidden, I can see the support entities for those quilts. And they all follow the same naming convention. These odd names are stuck to each surface and the edges that make up that surface. Previous versions of Pointwise didn't do this. If I pull up an older version of Pointwise, let's say 18.3R2, and I bring in the same IGES file, I'll have the same errors on import. I'll also have the same names of all the quilts and models, but now if I do View Show Hidden, there are these generic entity names for all of these edges, whereas the new version doesn't have that. We hope this improvement in naming convention makes your database cleanup a little bit more straightforward and easier. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you'll be alerted whenever we release new videos. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which I'll put a link in the description. Thank you all. Have a pleasant Tuesday.